We're giving away 3 pieces of kit from Cotopaxi, a brand that we've reviewed a couple of different times now. We'll take a quick look at the Allpa 28L, the Batac 16L Daypack, and the colorful, crazy, unisex Teca Windbreaker. I'm Tom, the founder of Pack Hacker, and we love helping people optimize their travel experience with guides, reviews, and other travel-related content. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We're doing this giveaway with support from Carryology and Cotopaxi as well, and we're really excited to partner with them on it. Let's jump into the gear and stay tuned until the end of the video, where we will give you full detail on how to enter into the giveaway. Good luck. Starting with the Allpa 28L, it is a slick little pack. We've done a full review on the 35L version, and the 28L version is basically a mini version of that with a couple different features. Be sure to go check out the full review on the 35L if you want more details. In this video, we're going to be covering a quick look. From an aesthetic perspective, we think Cotopaxi does a great job at blending their functionality along with bold and bright colors. So we have a good blend of minimal aesthetic going on with those bright pops of color. This pack features an overall comfortable harness system. We have this densely padded foam curved shoulder straps going on here. Then we have a sternum strap as well as a waist strap at the bottom as well. There's a meshy padded back panel here that helps with some additional airflow and ventilation, and this entire harness system is hideable behind it, which is an added bonus to keep those straps out of the way if you don't want to use it in backpack mode. One of my personal favorite things about the Cotopaxi Allpa series are these handles that you have on all sides of the pack. So no matter where this is, it's pretty easy just to grab this from any angle. Also on the exterior, we have these lash loops that go on around the pack as well for securing additional gear and items. Doesn't come at much of an aesthetic penalty. However, it has some big functionality that it adds to the pack. All right, let's move on to the inside of the pack. One thing I want to bring up are these smart features on these zippers. So most of them are pseudo lockable. They have a small tab going on here, and you just thread the zipper handle underneath. Makes it a little bit harder to open quickly and helps deter quick grabs and theft. The wearer's right-hand side features a laptop compartment here with a separate divider for tablets. And then on the wearer's left-hand side, we have a small pocket that's gonna fit the included rain fly perfectly inside. So if you run into any inclement weather, easy just to grab that out and put it over your pack quickly. Always there in a dedicated spot, you know where it's at. The top part of this pack opens up in horseshoe fashion, and there we're greeted with another mesh divider pocket as well. There's a clip for keys out here as well, and ample space inside to hold anything that you need quick access to. So maybe a jacket, you just want to quickly shove it in there, your phone, your wallet, really anything that you want quick access to fits nicely in this top pocket. The main clamshell opens up to 2 pronounced sides. This really feels like packing a suitcase, and it's a bonus if you like that type of packing style. We love this style because we encourage people to get packing cubes and other smaller organizer pouches to keep a lot of their gear in. Just makes it a lot easier when you're organizing and packing your gear. On that right-hand side, we have this zippered mesh compartment as well as some compression straps inside that can help cinch your load down. This side should be used for heavier items since it is the side closest to your back. It'll help distribute the weight a little bit better. The left-hand side features a similar but smaller mesh opening as well. On the top here, we have a smaller compartment here that covers additional organization. And again, this is a solid little pack, basically a scaled down version of the 35L. If you want more details on every single nook and cranny and nuance of this bag, be sure to go check out our review on the 35L version. Next up, the Cotopaxi Batac Minimal Daypack. This thing is packable and well suited to put in a larger bag so that you can use it as a smaller bag when you get to your destination. We've done a full written review of this one as well. Hannah, our content strategist, has used this for about 2 months on a couple different trips, and she's captured her thoughts in a full review over on our website. So if you want additional details and the nitty-gritty, be sure to go check that out. One great thing about this pack is that it's made from excess fabric hand-picked by Cotopaxi employees located in the Philippines. There are a bunch of styles and colors across the board. Each one of these is produced by hand and unique. To do a quick overview of this pack, we have mesh water bottle compartments on each side. We have a decent harness system going on here with some good opportunities for airflow as well as a sternum strap. It actually feels like a backpack when you're using it. You know, a lot of these packable day packs, they kind of skimp. This one has a decently robust system going on, small handle on the top, as well as some lash straps on the outside of the pack. This pack opens up in horseshoe style, and we have another zippered mesh compartment at the top here. And then on the front, we have another pocket going on with a smaller mesh pocket as well. Lastly, the totally rad Teca Windbreaker. Cotopaxi has a bunch of crazy color schemes going on with this one as well, and the reason that I use the word rad is that it reminds me of some bright fluorescent jackets that maybe you'd see in the 90s. So definitely super saturated colors going on here, and you have to be confident in order to pull this off. Just gonna pop it on right now. Much better. This thing is a half zip pullover and features a large, ample kangaroo pocket on the bottom, as well as pass-through pocket on the bottom for your hands. It offers some great protection from the wind and packs up really small as well, so you can just stow it away into your pack while it's not in use. Did I mention that it also had a hood? Yes, it definitely does. And there's the proof for you. We'll be announcing the winner of this giveaway over on our Instagram, so be sure to go follow @PackHacker to make sure that you're notified if you won. Entering into the giveaway is easy. Just be sure to head over to carryology.com. All the entry details will be listed there. We will also put a direct link in the YouTube description below. For more reviews and guides, keep it here on Pack Hacker. We'll see you in the next video. Hideable behind this. I can't get this on. You want quick access.